Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python numbers. So let's see what is it. There are three numeric types in Python. First is int, float, and complex. Variable of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them. So for example, there are few examples that are available. X is equal to 1. So that is in the form of int because there is a proper number that is available over there. The 1 is a simple number, so it is in the form of int. The second one we are having is 2.8. That is in the form of float because it's a decimal over there. And the third one we are having the imaginary number, so it is a complex number. So that is why it is provided as a complex. To verify the types of any object in Python, use the type of method. So with the help of type of method, you will be able to see what kind of type that is available. We have already studied in the last lecture. So integer. Now on screen, you can see that I have provided the few integers example. So here, integers is a whole number or a positive or negative number without decimal of unlimited length. So these are the number that is available with the unlimited length. You can provide as much number as you want to. Then in the form we are having the floating number is a number positive, negative containing one or more decimals. So it can provide you one or more decimals over there in the case of the floating number. So these are the different kind of complex numbers that are available. In case of the complex numbers, there is an imaginary part. As I told you, here J is the imaginary part. So here the normal number plus imaginary number is provided. That is why used as a complex number. So these are the different kind of numbers that are available. So in case, let me run few numbers here. So in that case, inside the command prompt, I will write number 1 equal to 9. So in case of the in case of this, I will provide number 2 is equal to 8, 8.9. Sorry. So let's see what is the date. What is the third type? So number 3 is equal to 1j. Okay. So now let me get the data types of these numbers. So print of type of, let's see, the first one I will take is number 1. Okay. So don't miss closing double brackets over there. So here the number 1 is equal to 9. Yeah. So we got as an int because it's a normal number. That is why we are getting int. So in that case, let's see, let me provide the 2. So it is in the form of float because there is a decimal in the number 2. And third, we are having for number 3, I will get the complex number because imaginary number is available there. So these are the different kind of number that are available in the Python numbers. So with the help of these, you can also convert from one type to another type with the using of int of, float of, complex of method. So how can you do that? I have provided few examples here. You can see on screen that these are the examples that are available. So let me try some if I want to convert the number to, that is the float, then how can we convert these numbers? So in that case, convert from float to int. I will write that b is equal to int of y. So how can we write it? So I will write int of number 2 equal to is 8. Okay, not equal to, is equal to 8. Okay, now we know how can we write that. We have to provide that particular number in int. So I have mentioned the int here. So it will provide that number in the case of int. It will remove the decimal part and it will provide the number that is available before decimal. So these are the different kind of methods you can write. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.